favorite sandwiches of all time is a Reuben. Ugh. But not just any Reuben. It has to be done a particular way. There's a technique to making a good Reuben. There's a technique to it. I'm gonna show you what that technique is. I'll also throw some bonus footage in. We're gonna do a hot pastrami as well. I love those too. Come on, man, let's get you ready for St. Patrick's Day. Let's cook. Nothing fancy. We just got our meat. We got our Thousand Island dressing. We got some butter oil here. And then we have our mustard. Now I mixed French Dijon, Grey Poupon, and just regular. That French Dijon I got from Kroger's is really good. I wish there was a Kroger around here because I would definitely buy it all the time. So just regular mustard, French Dijon, and then the Grey Poupon in here is going to go on the pastrami. Then I have some Swiss cheese and some good old sauerkraut. Okay. Now I have my skillet here, my rye bread. I got the seeded rye bread. We're going to go ahead and do the Reuben first. Okay. So we'll put some of our butter on here. And we'll put the corned beef on there with it. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit. We want it to kind of cook all the way, or not cook, but you know, get warm all the way through. Okay. Now, right next to it, a little bit more of the butter oil. We'll go ahead, drop our sauerkraut. Then, right next to that, we're going to put our bread there. Then what we'll do is one of these will get a whole piece, and then we'll go ahead put some of that on there. And if you don't have one of these little skillets, get you one. I think this probably cost me about 25 bucks at Walmart. And it goes up to 420 degrees. This thing is absolutely great. All right, so now I got this cheese on here on the bottom because I don't want the meat and the dressing to soak through the bread. So that cheese is sort of like a barrier to it. Go ahead and turn that off because this is starting to pop. Then we'll just put a little bit more here on top. I really love it. I really love it. All right. Put that on there like that. Bring that bad boy off. Set it to the side. We'll go ahead and get all this excess off of here. All right, we got it hot again. More butter oil. Let's go ahead and spread this pastrami out. Nice hot pastrami. And then let's get our bread on there again. And I like to put a little cheese on my hot pastrami. That's just me. You ain't got to do it. You can be traditional all you want. This is my hot pastrami. This is how I'm gonna do it. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and load this bad boy up. And it's gonna take. I forgot to put my mustard on there. I'm tripping. Let me get this mustard on here real quick. Yeah, you can't have a hot pastrami without that good mustard. All right. All right, the time has arrived. Man, I can't wait for this, boy. Go ahead and hit this hot pastrami first. Get this nice mustard off in here. I haven't had one of these in years. Almost forgot how simple but yet delicious this is. Wow. I want to take another bite, but I gotta get y'all, let y'all know what I think about this big old Reuben. Ooh, man. Ah, y'all excuse me. Man, I'm starting to get ridiculous, man. This is starting to get ridiculous. Hold on. Look, family, I'm gonna let y'all go now. I got a bag of Sun chips. I got some nice dill garlic pickles. And I got me some Guinness extra stout. I ain't got time to play with y'all today. I'm gonna let y'all go and get out of here. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time, go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you feel like you want to be a part of this family. And don't forget to turn those notification bells on. That'll keep you up to date with everything that we are doing right here at Yes Chef. Listen, man, hit those like buttons now. Hit them now. Show your boy some love. We're about to go ahead and get out of here. But folks, man, I don't even know which one to exit with. I do the hot pastrami. So until the next time we see you folks, until the very, very next video, as always, family, peace.